If you've ever tried to sauté something in a pressure cooker and felt like you were fighting the pot instead of cooking, you're not alone. Most multi-cookers just aren't designed for real cooking flow, and that's where the frustration starts. Today we're taking a closer look at the Midea WideMax 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker 6.5 quart, a multi-cooker built for home cooks who want more space, more flexibility, and a smoother cooking experience without juggling multiple appliances. It's designed to fix some of the common annoyances people have with traditional pressure cookers. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design feels noticeably different. The wider cooking surface is the first thing you'll notice, and it's not just a small tweak. In real use, it makes sautéing feel much closer to using a regular pan instead of working in a cramped, deep pot. You can actually move ingredients around without overcrowding them. The removable lid is another detail that sounds simple but makes a big difference. Being able to stir or add ingredients without dealing with a hot, attached lid makes the whole process feel safer and more natural. The build quality feels solid, with a clean, modern look that fits easily into most kitchens. It doesn't feel overly bulky, but it still has enough presence to handle family-sized meals. The controls are laid out in a way that keeps things approachable. With multiple presets for common dishes, you don't feel like you're navigating a complicated system. It's designed so you can get started quickly without needing to constantly check instructions. When it comes to performance, the wider design actually improves how you cook. Sautéing is more effective because ingredients have space to brown instead of steaming in a crowded pot. That alone can improve flavor in dishes like stews or curries. The pressure cooking function is efficient and cuts down cooking time significantly, especially for meals that usually take longer. It's not just fast, it's consistent, which is what matters if you're using it regularly. In everyday use, this cooker fits naturally into a routine. You can prep, cook, and even finish dishes in the same pot without switching tools. The quieter steam release is another subtle improvement. It doesn't eliminate noise completely, but it's less aggressive than what you might be used to with older models. The safety design also helps make it feel more approachable, especially if you've been hesitant about using pressure cookers before. Cleaning is relatively straightforward. The wider pot actually makes it easier to reach and clean compared to deeper, narrower designs. Since the inner components are removable and dishwasher safe, it cuts down on cleanup time, which is always a plus if you're cooking regularly. It's one of those details that doesn't stand out at first, but makes a difference over time. Of course, there are a few downsides to consider. The wider design means it takes up a bit more horizontal space, which might not suit very small kitchens. While it offers a good range of cooking functions, it doesn't go as deep into customization as some premium models. And if you're only using it for simple tasks like basic rice cooking, you might not fully benefit from what makes this model different. Compared to more traditional multi-cookers like the Instant Pot Duo, the Midea WideMax 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker 6.5 quart stands out because of its usability improvements rather than just adding more features. Most cookers focus on stacking functions, but this one focuses on making those functions easier to use in real life. On the other hand, some competitors may offer more advanced digital controls or smart features, which this model keeps relatively simple. So who is this really for? If you enjoy cooking and want a pressure cooker that feels less restrictive and more like a natural extension of your kitchen workflow, this is a strong option. It's especially useful for families or anyone cooking full meals regularly. If you prefer very compact appliances or only cook occasionally, though, it might feel like more than you need. At the end of the day, the Midea WideMax 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker 6.5 quart is about improving how cooking feels, not just how fast it is. And that's what makes it stand out. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your kitchen setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.